Fenugreek, also known as Methi, is an herb commonly used in cooking and traditional medicine. It offers several benefits for hair health and can be used as a hair mask to promote stronger, healthier hair. Here are some of the benefits and a simple recipe for a fenugreek hair mask. Promotes hair growth. Fenugreek seeds are rich in proteins and nicotinic acid, which can help stimulate hair growth and prevent hair loss. Conditions and moisturizes. Fenugreek contains mucilage, a gel-like substance that coats the hair shaft, making it smooth and manageable. This helps reduce dryness, frizz, and breakage, leaving your hair soft and moisture. Adds shine. Regular use of fenugreek can enhance the natural luster and shine of your hair, making it appear healthier and more vibrant. Reduces dandruff and scalp irritation. Fenugreek has antifungal and anti-inflammatory properties that can help alleviate scalp issues like dandruff, itchiness, and irritation. Strengthens hair. The proteins in fenugreek seeds strengthen the hair follicles and strands, reducing hair breakage and promoting overall hair strength. To make a fenugreek hair mask, follow these steps. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons, fenugreek seeds, water. Instructions: soak the fenugreek seeds in water overnight or for at least 6 to 8 hours to soften them. Drain the water and grind the soaked seeds into a fine paste. You can use a blender or mortar and pestle for this. Apply the paste to your scalp and hair, massaging gently. Leave the mask on for about 30 minutes to 1 hour to allow the nutrients to penetrate your hair and scalp. Rinse your hair thoroughly with lukewarm water and shampoo as usual. Note: you can also customize your fenugreek hair mask by adding other ingredients like yogurt, coconut milk, aloe vera gel, or essential oils, depending. Remember, while fenugreek is generally safe to use, some people may be allergic to it. It's always a good idea to do a patch test before applying the mask to your entire scalp. If you experience any adverse reactions, discontinue use. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel.